Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Jodoo Masterclass channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most popular and powerful data visualization tools out there, the column chart. If you want to compare different categories side by side and spot trends at a glance, this is the chart for you. Let's jump right in. A column chart uses vertical bars, think of them as columns, to represent your data. The taller the column, the higher the value it represents. This makes it super easy to compare numbers across different categories or track changes over time. For example, let's say we want to compare the number of requests for each destination. With a column chart, we can visualize these differences instantly. First, just like we did in our last video, let's head over to the dashboard where we want to add this chart. Click on the Stats section. Choose Business Travel Request as the data source. Then, from the right panel, select Column Chart. Now, let's set up our chart. For this example, we're analyzing the number of requests by destination. The field that contains the destination information will be our dimension. Think of dimensions as the categories you want to compare, in this case, different destinations. The field that helps us count the number of requests will be our metric. Metrics are the actual values you want to measure. So, simply drag the destination field into the dimension area and the requested by field into the metric area. And just like that, our column chart comes to life. Each column now represents a destination, and the height of each column shows the number of requests for that destination. You can instantly see which destinations are the most popular and where requests are lower. This makes it easy to spot trends, identify opportunities, or highlight areas that need attention. Don't forget, you can customize your chart to make it even clearer, adjust colors, add labels, or tweak the layout to fit your dashboard style. And there you have it. Column charts are a fantastic way to visualize your data, compare categories, and make informed decisions quickly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or want to see more chart tutorials? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.